way we live, work and play are constantly transforming. Technology now connects everything, people to processes, data to things. Our world is evolving, extending more and more beyond the physical reality of things. We learn and work in a modern and creative space using virtual and augmented reality tools. This very flexible environment gives us the opportunity to adjust our capabilities on a vast range of scenarios. We call them digital shop floors. Here, new ideas and concepts are tested long before stepping into a real manufacturing site. When it comes to technology, we are bold and curious and dedicated to providing the latest innovation to our customers. Embrace the digital manufacturing and build the smart factories of tomorrow, today.